Hi guys, welcome back. We'll have a super quick look at Astronaut by Jin. We have one main chord progression which is going throughout the whole song, and that's it. That just goes for the whole song with the same rhythm, with the same chord progression. So let's have a quick look at the chord shapes. First chord's F major, second open, first open. Then we have a D minor, second one open. Then we have a B flat chord. I have first frets on E, A, C string second fret, a G string third fret. I got a C major chord, open, open, open 3. And then we have a A minor chord, which is simply second fret on the top string. That's it. Firstly, let's have a look at the chord progression. It starts off with D minor, then we have A minor, then we have B flat, and then we have F and the C major chord together, which means, so with one bar rest or gap between every chord, it sounds like this. Oops. D minor, A minor, B flat, F, C. You just have to notice what I did for the F and C major chord. I played 1, 2, 3, 4. So F, 2, C, 4, and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, C, 4. The string pattern goes like this. I went down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. I'll do it once on every chord, and for the F and C, what I'll do is I'll play it down, 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 up on F, and for the C, I'll do up, down, 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 up. It looks like this. So let's try it out on the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's the whole song. I hope the video helps you out. Let me know what other songs you want to learn. If you guys haven't yet subscribed, if you do so, it helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.